Welcome everyone to another video. This is Oppo A92 and today in this video I like to share you guys how to record slow motion video with your A92. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Oppo A92 you can record 120fps slow mo video with 1080 and 720p resolution. So now I'm recording 1080 resolution slow mo video. This is all about Oppo A92 slow-mo video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.